Priority Cloud ERP Online Training. Introduction to Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution designed to streamline business processes across various industries. Here's a brief overview. Key features. Modular design. Priority Cloud ERP offers a modular architecture, allowing businesses to implement and scale various modules based on their needs. Modules typically include finance, sales, purchasing, inventory, manufacturing, and human resources. Cloud-based. As a cloud-based solution, Priority Cloud ERP provides accessibility from any location with internet access. This reduces the need for on-premises infrastructure and maintenance. Real-time data. The system provides real-time data and analytics, helping businesses make informed decisions quickly. This includes dashboards, reports, and performance metrics. Customization and integration. Priority Cloud ERP can be tailored to fit specific business processes and integrated with other systems and applications, such as CRM, e-commerce platforms, and third-party services. User-friendly interface. The ERP system is designed with a modern, intuitive interface that aims to improve user experience and reduce the learning curve. Automation. It automates various business processes to increase efficiency and reduce manual errors. This includes workflows, approvals, and notifications. Scalability. The system is scalable, making it suitable for businesses of different sizes, from small and medium enterprises to large corporations. Security. Priority Cloud ERP emphasizes data security with features like access controls, data encryption, and regular backups. Benefits. Improved efficiency. By automating and streamlining processes, businesses can enhance operational efficiency and reduce administrative overhead. Enhanced visibility. Real-time reporting and analytics provide better visibility into business performance, helping to identify trends and areas for improvement. Cost savings. The cloud-based nature of the system reduces the need for significant upfront investments in hardware and IT infrastructure. Flexibility. Businesses can adapt the ERP system to their changing needs, whether through additional modules, customization, or integration with other systems. Better collaboration. The cloud platform facilitates collaboration across departments and locations, improving communication and coordination. Key features of Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline and optimize various business processes. Some of its key features include modular design. Priority Cloud ERP provides a range of modules covering finance, inventory, sales, purchasing, HR, and more, allowing businesses to choose and integrate functionalities as needed. Real-time data access. The system supports real-time data access and analytics, helping businesses make informed decisions based on the most current information. Scalability. It is designed to grow with the business, supporting everything from small enterprises to large organizations. Customizable dashboards. Users can create customized dashboards and reports to track key performance indicators and metrics relevant to their roles and business needs. Automation. The ERP system includes automation capabilities for routine tasks, such as invoicing, procurement, and order processing, which helps reduce manual effort and errors. Integration. Priority Cloud ERP integrates with various third-party applications and systems, including CRM, e-commerce platforms, and more, to ensure seamless data flow across different business functions. Mobile Access. The platform offers mobile access, enabling users to manage and monitor operations from anywhere, enhancing flexibility and productivity. User-friendly interface. The ERP system features an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easier for users to navigate and utilize its features. Advanced Analytics. Built-in analytics and reporting tools provide insights into business performance, trends, and opportunities for improvement. Security. Priority Cloud ERP incorporates robust security measures, including data encryption, user access controls, and compliance with industry standards to protect sensitive information. Cloud-based. As a cloud-based solution, it offers the benefits of reduced IT infrastructure costs, automatic updates, and easy scalability. Workflow Management. The system includes workflow management features to streamline processes, ensure compliance, and improve efficiency. Implementation strategies for Priority Cloud ERP. Implementing a Priority Cloud ERP system involves several key strategies to ensure a successful deployment and integration. Here's a high-level overview of essential steps. 1. Define objectives and requirements. Assessment. Identify specific business needs, goals, and processes that the ERP system should address. Requirements gathering. Collaborate with stakeholders to gather detailed requirements, including features, integrations, and compliance needs. To choose the right vendor. Vendor evaluation. Assess different ERP vendors based on their solutions' alignment with your requirements, scalability, and support. Demonstrations and trials. Request demonstrations and conduct trial periods to evaluate the system's capabilities and usability. 3. Develop a project plan. Timeline and milestones. Create a detailed project plan with timelines, key milestones, and deliverables. Resource allocation. Assign roles and responsibilities, and ensure you have the necessary resources and expertise for the implementation. 4. Data migration and integration. Data assessment. Review and clean existing data to ensure accuracy and completeness. Migration plan. Develop a data migration strategy, including mapping data from legacy systems and performing test migrations. Integration. Plan and execute integrations with other systems and applications used in your organization. 5. Customization and configuration. System customization. Configure the ERP system to match your business processes and requirements. Custom development. Develop any custom features or functionalities that are specific to your needs. 6. Training and change management. User training. Provide comprehensive training to end users to ensure they are proficient with the new system. Change management. Implement strategies to manage organizational change, address resistance, and support users throughout the transition. 7. Testing. System testing. Conduct thorough testing of the ERP system to identify and resolve any issues before going live. User acceptance testing. UAT involve end users in testing to ensure the system meets their needs and expectations. 8. Deployment. Go-live preparation. Finalize preparations for the go-live, including setting up the production environment and ensuring all systems are ready. Launch. Execute the go-live plan, monitor the deployment, and address any immediate issues. 9. Post-implementation support. Monitoring. Continuously monitor system performance and user feedback. Support. Provide ongoing support to resolve any issues and ensure the system continues to meet business needs. Optimization. Regularly review and optimize the system based on evolving business requirements and feedback. 10. Continuous improvement. Review and update. Periodically review the ERP system's performance and update it to adapt to changes in business processes or technology. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop with users to gather insights and continuously improve the system. Benefits of using Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP offers several benefits for organizations looking to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. Here are some key advantages. Scalability. As a cloud-based solution, Priority Cloud ERP can easily scale with your business growth. You can adjust resources and functionality according to your needs without significant infrastructure changes. Accessibility. Being cloud-based, Priority Cloud ERP allows users to access the system from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility supports remote work and multi-location operations. Cost efficiency. It reduces the need for expensive on-premises hardware and IT staff. The subscription-based model can also make budgeting easier by providing predictable costs. Automatic updates. The cloud ERP provider handles software updates and maintenance, ensuring you always have access to the latest features and security patches without manual intervention. Enhanced collaboration. The system's cloud nature facilitates better collaboration among team members by providing real-time access to data and tools, regardless of location. Integration capabilities. Priority Cloud ERP often integrates with other business systems and applications, enabling smoother data flow and process automation across different departments. Data security. Leading cloud ERP providers implement robust security measures, including encryption, backup, and disaster recovery, to protect your data. Customization and flexibility. The system can be tailored to fit specific business processes and requirements, offering customization options to suit diverse organizational needs. Real-time insights. Priority Cloud ERP provides real-time data and analytics, helping businesses make informed decisions quickly and respond to changes in the market. Improved efficiency. Automation of routine tasks, streamlined processes, and better data management contribute to increased operational efficiency and productivity. Customer support. Cloud ERP providers typically offer extensive support services, including training, technical assistance, and user resources to help you get the most out of the system. Integration capabilities of Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP offers various integration capabilities to streamline business processes and enhance efficiency. Here are some key integration features. API integration. Priority Cloud ERP provides RESTful APIs that allow seamless integration with third-party systems, such as CRM, HRM, and financial systems. These APIs enable data exchange and synchronization between systems. Web services. The ERP supports web services for integration with other applications, including SOAP-based services for legacy systems and modern RESTful services for newer applications. Data import-export. Priority Cloud ERP allows for data import and export via various formats such as CSV, XML, and Excel. This feature helps in migrating data from other systems and exporting data for analysis or reporting. Middleware integration. The ERP can integrate with middleware solutions like Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, or Integration Platform as a Service, IPaaS, to facilitate data flow between disparate systems and applications. Custom connectors. For specific integration needs, custom connectors can be developed to link Priority Cloud ERP with other systems, ensuring that unique business requirements are met. Business process automation. Integration with automation tools allows for the streamlining of business processes, reducing manual data entry and improving overall efficiency. Cloud integration. As a cloud-based ERP, Priority Cloud ERP supports integration with other cloud services and platforms, enabling a unified view of data and processes across different cloud applications. E-commerce integration. The ERP can be integrated with e-commerce platforms to manage online sales, inventory, and customer data, ensuring seamless operations between online and offline channels. Security measures in Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP includes several security measures to protect data and ensure secure operations. Here are some key aspects. Data encryption. Priority Cloud ERP uses encryption protocols to protect data both at rest and in transit. This ensures that sensitive information is secure from unauthorized access. Access control. The system employs role-based access control, RBAC, which restricts user access based on their roles and responsibilities. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access to critical data and functions. Authentication and authorization. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is often used to enhance security by requiring additional verification steps for user logins. Additionally, comprehensive authorization mechanisms are in place to control what users can and cannot do within the system. Regular security updates. Priority Cloud ERP is updated regularly to address security vulnerabilities and improve system robustness. These updates include patches for any known security issues. Data backup and recovery. Regular backups are performed to ensure that data can be restored in case of an incident. This helps in maintaining business continuity and data integrity. Compliance. The ERP system adheres to industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and other relevant data protection laws. Compliance ensures that the system meets legal and regulatory requirements for data security. Monitoring and auditing. Continuous monitoring and auditing of system activities help in detecting and responding to suspicious activities. Logs and audit trails provide insights into system usage and potential security breaches. Network security. The system employs firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDs, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS, to safeguard the network against external threats and unauthorized access. Secure application development. Security best practices are followed during the development of the ERP system, including secure coding practices and vulnerability testing. Incident response. A well-defined incident response plan is in place to address security breaches promptly. This includes procedures for containment, eradication, and recovery from security incidents. Customization options in Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP offers a range of customization options to tailor the system to specific business needs. Here are some of the key customization features available. User interface (UI) customization. Dashboards and widgets. Users can customize dashboards to display relevant information, create personalized views, and use widgets to highlight key metrics. Layouts and themes. Customizable layouts and themes allow users to adjust the appearance and organization of their workspace. Workflow automation. Business rules and logic. Configure workflows and automate processes to streamline operations and ensure compliance with business rules. Task management. Customize task assignments and approval processes to fit organizational needs. Reports and analytics. Custom reports. Design and generate custom reports to meet specific analytical needs and business requirements. Data visualization. Utilize various visualization tools to create charts, graphs, and other visual representations of data. Field customization. Custom fields. Add and modify fields in forms and records to capture additional information relevant to the business. Field validation. Set up validation rules to ensure data accuracy and integrity. Module customization. Add-ons and extensions. Integrate third-party add-ons or develop custom extensions to enhance functionality. Module configuration. Customize the behavior and features of individual modules to align with specific business processes. Role-based access control. User roles and permissions. Define roles and permissions to control access to various system functions and data. Integration capabilities. APIs and connectors. Utilize APIs to integrate with other systems and applications, facilitating data exchange and process synchronization. Localization. Language and regional settings. Adjust language settings and regional formats to accommodate different geographical requirements. Custom forms and workflows. Form customization. Modify existing forms or create new ones to capture unique data and align with specific business workflows. User experience and interface of Priority Cloud ERP. Priority Cloud ERP is designed with user experience and interface in mind to enhance productivity and ease of use. Here are some key aspects of its UX/UI. Intuitive navigation. The interface is structured to provide easy access to different modules and functionalities. The main dashboard often features widgets and shortcuts to frequently used tools and data. Customizable dashboards. Users can personalize their dashboards to display relevant metrics, reports, and notifications based on their roles and preferences. Responsive design. The cloud-based platform is accessible across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones, ensuring a consistent experience regardless of the device used. User-friendly forms. Data entry forms are designed to be straightforward, with features such as auto-completion and validation rules to minimize errors and streamline data input. Interactive reporting. The system offers advanced reporting tools with interactive charts and graphs that allow users to drill down into data for detailed insights. Workflow automation. Priority Cloud ERP includes workflow automation capabilities that simplify repetitive tasks and processes, helping to reduce manual effort and improve efficiency. Role-based access. The interface supports role-based access controls, ensuring that users see only the information and functionalities relevant to their specific roles and permissions. Help and support. Integrated help features and support resources are available within the platform, including user guides, tutorials, and access to customer support. Integration capabilities. The platform provides seamless integration with other applications and systems, which helps in maintaining a cohesive workflow and data consistency across the organization. Modern aesthetics. The design often follows modern UX/UI principles, such as clean layouts, easy-to-read fonts, and intuitive icons, contributing to a pleasant and efficient user experience. Why choose ProExcellency for Priority Cloud ERP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Priority Cloud ERP online training might offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often boasts experienced trainers with deep knowledge of Priority Cloud ERP, which can enhance the learning experience with practical insights and real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are typically designed to cover a broad range of topics and functionalities in Priority Cloud ERP, ensuring that you gain a thorough understanding of the system. Flexible learning. Online training offers flexibility to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which can be especially beneficial for professionals balancing work and study. Hands-on training. ProExcellency may provide hands-on exercises and practical scenarios to help you apply what you've learned in real-life situations. Certification and support. They might offer certification upon completion and ongoing support, which can be valuable for career advancement and troubleshooting. Reputation. ProExcellency may have a solid reputation and positive reviews from previous students, which can be a good indicator of the quality of their training. Cost-effective. Online training can be more affordable than in-person options, and ProExcellency may offer competitive pricing or flexible payment plans. Thank you.